everything about what we do, but I really have always loved the strategy of the combat scenarios and figuring out what is possible for all the different characters, the different builds. And I love Orym because he's this new kind of chess piece for me that can't reach things. I can't fly 50,000 miles in a second, and I can't cast across the battlefield. So getting to learn, and you know, Bo and Yasha did this campaign too, and now I'm having my turn at it. And for that scenario, snow lewdness was all the way across the battlefield. So if I were to run to, I had to like size up what can I do in this situation. If I run to him, that's all I'm doing, I'm running. And the gang wants to bamf out of here anyway. So if I run, I'm screwing over that plan, which never happened. And so what can I do? I can make sure that this big lug can't brain the casters in the group. And as soon as Matt parked him by the lava, I was like, well, this fucker's going in the drink. And I knew Orym has no strength, and that push is a strength, but I knew I had 6 chances to play the slot machines, and one of them was gonna spit out gold coins.